In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a statement of accounts in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a small business or simply keeping track of finances, generating a statement of accounts is a handy way to monitor your transactions with a specific customer. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can easily do this in Zoho Books. First, start by navigating to the Sales module, which you can find on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is essentially your command center for all things related to sales, and it contains numerous options for managing your customer interactions and transactions. From here, you'll want to go ahead and click on Customers. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all your customers. Locate and select the specific customer for whom you wish to obtain a statement of accounts. Once you've selected your desired customer, direct your attention to the tab labeled Statement, located right next to Mails. This section is specifically dedicated to customer statements and is where you'll find the transaction history that you can customize. Upon entering the Statement tab, you'll notice it's neatly organized and user-friendly. Here, you're granted the opportunity to filter the data. Set your desired date range, which allows you to focus on transactions during a specific period. This is particularly useful if you need statements for your quarterly reports or simply want to track recent interactions. Additionally, you can adjust other filters such as branch or transaction type, if applicable, to further refine the information you retrieve. Once satisfied with your filters, take advantage of the icons in the top right corner, which provide flexible options for handling the statement. If you need to keep a hard copy for your records or send it to your customer, you can choose to print the statement directly. Alternatively, if you prefer a digital format, there are options to download the statement as a PDF or an XLS file. This gives you the ability to integrate the report with other tools or simply have it handy on your devices. Finally, if your intention is to communicate the statement to your customer, you can do so seamlessly by emailing it directly from the same interface. This can save you time and ensures that the customer receives the most accurate and up-to-date financial information. By following these steps, you can efficiently generate a statement of accounts for any customer in Zoho Books. This process not only helps maintain clarity in your financial dealings, but also enhances the professionalism with which you manage your business interactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you navigate Zoho Books with greater ease and understanding. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and insights.